Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Got Josh over here. Junior is down here, really close to the camera, so maybe. Anyways, today we need to take a look at Lang Left. Lang Left we haven't looked at for a while. We found a queen last time we were in there. We want to make sure that she is laying and everything is okay over there. All right, let's do this. All right, this is Lang Left. Lang Left, we were in this a few weeks ago, several weeks ago, and we found them making queen cells, and they had eggs and stuff in the queen cells, so they were fixing to swarm. I hid them off at the pass, and I pulled the queen out, put her in our little nuke over there, and created an artificial swarm. They're doing great over there. Last time we were in here, we found the queen. I tried to catch the marker, but I couldn't catch her. And we're gonna find out if that queen was mated, and if she was, we'll find her in here now. It's V-Day, so it's gonna be windy. It's Minnesota. All right, so let's go ahead and start this. Okay, up top I gave them a honey super to work on. That was basically to keep them busy, and they're not really doing anything with it. They're just kind of hanging out. This was mostly drawn combs. Alright. So here, this side they're kind of hanging out, but they are bringing some honey up on this side and on the next frame. So, keeping them occupied, that's the whole plan. Oops. Hey Josh. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can you go get the wagon?
Sure.
Alright, so we got our mobile hive stand in place. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. It's just foundation, nothing going on there. That's just foundation. just foundation.
There's
Oofda. Right.
no, please don't hurt me. Right?
Yep.
Oh. I mean, oof, duh.
This thing is going to be heavy. If it's 100%, I might take it. I think I'm going to take it. No, it's not 100% though.
Okay.
All right. Maybe what I'll do though. So I'll move it on to the end.
I can't believe we didn't even know we had this tool.
What tool?
This
Well, I knew I had it, just couldn't do, as usual, couldn't find it.
we never used it.
Nope. Well, we never had to with the top bars, and then when we got these, I could never find it. Okay, the rest of these I think are just foundation. So I think what I'll do is
How many bars are we taking?
none right now.
Say please don't hurt me, okay?
That one is so thick.
Dad,
Hmm.
please don't hurt me, okay?
Well,
Say it.
I'm not worried about them hurting me. They've already got stung once.
You got stung today?
Yep. Right there.
Ouch.
I may not be able to get 10 in this thing. All right. So I think they built this in what's so wide, like a honey super, that I'm going to let them finish it, and I'm going to take that one from them. All right. This is going to be heavy on this one side. Can you put it on top of this box?
Okay.
It's going to be pretty light, but heavy on that one side.
Sorry. Sorry to be sorry.
There you go. Okay, and then if you can get the blue marking pen.
Blue marking pen? Okay.
It's in that little bucket. And that little round plastic cage thing.
Okay.
It's in the bucket too. All right. So we're going to be looking for a queen or signs of one. Right. Until I find her, if I find her.
What's our swarm cell looks like in this hive?
There's one now. There, see over there, right in the kind of the middle top. That's where the supersedure cells were. They've got them torn down.
Oh, watch out, there's a bee on your hand.
Yep. All right. That's just honey and pollen. Now that is the frame that I had found the supersedure cells on. Can you see if that shot is getting anything?
In there. Yep.
Okay, we're filling this up with nectar. This is getting filled up with nectar. You can see there's, at the bottom, there's swarm cells that got torn down.
Oh.
You see them?
Yeah.
There's what, 3?
Yep. Oh. This hive almost swarm.
It wanted to. That's why we pulled out the queen.
Okay.
So we're hoping to find a queen in it now.
Hopefully we found her.
You probably should get that veil on.
Okay. Here's the stuff.
All right. Get your gloves too, Joshy. They're getting a little iffy. All right. This was a medium because I didn't have any deeps. And it's honey and nectar. All right, so we've got queen cell, the queen cup on this side. Okay, that's just a queen cup. Ouch, it's stuck. They are getting pissy. Ow, got stung again. Okay, they are acting very queenless. There's a good roar coming from them, and they're really in a bad mood. So we did see a queen in here last time. I figured she was probably a virgin. She must have never made it back from mating flight. Jeez. So I don't think we're going to get anywhere with this hive. So I think what I'm going to do is just button them up. they are way crabby. Got a bee on my neck. Oh. All right, Josh, give him some smoke. And then put that next super on them.
This one?
Yep, I don't think that one's that heavy. Okay, this is what a queenless hive acts like. They're very aggressive. They're not happy at all. Go ahead and put that top super on. So I got to figure out what I want to do with them. I've got the little nuke over at the W yard, and I've got the double nuke here. I don't really want to give them the double nuke because it's doing so well, but I suppose I could give them the nuke over at the W yard. I'd have to.
Okay.
Right, and if you want to put the covers on, I'd have to put those frames, those bars.
What about this? This one again?
I'd have to put those bars in a
Is it this way?
in a Langstroth frame. Yep. And then
Oof.
put the outer cover.
Oof, I'm safe.
They stung me several times.
Okay.
All right, so that's laying left. I didn't go through all of the frames because I got chased out, but they do not act like they've got a queen. They act very queenless. They're very aggressive. I put that last frame back in the hive and they just ran over to that frame, and then they flew up at me again. I took several stings. I'm not happy about that.